Why is your LG fridge making a loud humming noise? A loud humming noise coming from your LG refrigerator can be concerning, but it's often a sign of a minor issue that can be easily resolved. Here are some common causes and solutions. Compressor overworking. If your fridge is struggling to maintain temperature, the compressor may work harder, leading to louder noise. Ensure the door seals are intact and tight to prevent cold air leakage. Overfilling the fridge can strain the compressor. Clogged coils can hinder cooling efficiency. Fan motor issues. A faulty or worn-out fan motor can cause a loud humming noise. Consult a professional technician to diagnose and replace the faulty fan motor. Vibration and noise. If the fridge isn't level or is touching a wall, it can vibrate and produce noise. Level the fridge and ensure it's not touching any surfaces. Defrost cycle. During the defrost cycle, the fridge may make louder noises, including a humming sound. This is a normal operation, but if the noise persists after the cycle, consult a technician. If the noise is severe, persistent, or accompanied by other issues like poor cooling performance, it's best to contact a qualified appliance repair technician. They can diagnose the problem accurately and provide the necessary repairs.